It is currently 7:56 in the morning. I have not slept at all. I tried. I sound like a whole man. At least my skin is clear. Because I don't know if other pregnant women have dealt with this, but I'm not sick, okay? I have like this dry, sometimes, this is gross, mucusy cough. And it hurts so bad. Like, I'm not even shitting you. Last night, I was coughing so hard that I threw up. That's disgusting. My throat is on fire this morning because of how much I coughed last night. If I had $1 for every time I coughed last night, I would be a millionaire this morning. Okay? Anyways, I've done the honey, I've done the peppermints, I've done the Vicks Vapor Rub, I've done pretty much anything I can think of. So if you have any recommendations on how to get rid of this effing cough, and it doesn't help that it's 120 degrees outside and then you walk inside and it's 69, 70, 72 degrees. So let me know, because this is miserable. Bye.